Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make infographic presentation in PowerPoint. Okay, so this is for beginner. I will show you. So let's open the PowerPoint. Okay, and here if you want to make the infographic presentation, if you want to use the themes, go to the new, and here you can see the themes you can use with of infographics. So here you can see there is a lots of themes you can use. And if I open once, okay, I will open these themes and I click on create. Okay, so these themes will be download. So now I can make the some changes from here. I can take as a duplicates and I just make some changes from here. Okay, so there is a many themes you can use. Okay, so if I take the blank one, if I go to the more themes, okay, so here the presentation, this is a poster only, so I have to take the presentation. So I will take this one. Okay, so here you will get the more option. You can see there is a more slide you can see here. Okay, so you can change the slide as per your requirement. There is a graph you can see, you can change it. There is a bar, you can change it. But if you want to use, you can use. Otherwise, if you take the blank one, so it will be see like this. And I will show you how you can make infographic. So normally in infographic we use graph. So go to the insert and go to the shape here, and if I take this one, okay, which one take, okay, I will take this one, and I have to draw this graph. Okay, so here if I click on the right, here the you can go the format shape, and here you can make transparent. You can change color from here, which color you want, you can change it. Okay, you can also, and in this option, in effect option, you can make as a shadow. Okay, the shadow you can use transparency, you can make it reflection. Okay, so you can make it reflection. There's a many way you can do. Okay, you can change background color of slide. Go to click on the right side and go to the format background, and here you can change the color of background. So I will take this one. Okay, done. So just right click and go to the format background. Okay, select your object. Now you can write something here like, so there is a many tools you can use. You if you insert anything in your slide, if I insert this one, this is for shape I have insert, you have to select any object. You can select text also. If I select text, I have to select text. If I go to format, so here you can see all related text tools I will see here. And if I select the shape, then if I go here, I will see the all shape related option I will see here. Okay, so that is how you can make infographic slides. You can make insert the chart also. Okay, so you can column. Okay, now the Excel will be open. Now you can change categories, this category name, and this is a series name, and you can change it and save it. Okay, if I change it like netcast, I have to change it, then here will be changed and I can save it. Okay, it will automatically save. Okay, you can see. If you want to edit again, Okay, so you can insert chart, you can insert shape, you can insert text, everything. There is a many tools you can use. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.